हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए तीन बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स जो कि हायर करेगी 2018, 19 और 20 बैच पास आउट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और 2021 आल्सो। सो गाइज प्लीज़ वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड सो यू डिड नॉट मिस एनी इंफॉर्मेशन। सो गाइज़, अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल पे तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मैं जब भी ऐसी जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, टेस्ट, क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स की वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिल सके। तो गाइज़ चलिए देखते हैं पहली जॉब अपडेट विच इज़ फ्रॉम वर्चुसा। सो गाइज़ वर्चुसा हायर करे फ्रेशर्स फ्रॉम द बैच 2018, 19 और 20 फॉर द रोल एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। सो गाइज़ ये बेसिक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस फॉर्म है जो कि आपको फिल करना पड़ेगा, जिसमें आपको फुल नेम, ईमेल आईडी, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, कॉलेज नेम, योर डिग्री. सो गाइज लेट्स सी these degrees are eligible for this off campus drive: BE, BTech, MCA, MTech. After that BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA. So guys, so many uh, graduates are eligible for this job. After that, let's see streams which are eligible for this job: CSE, IT, ECE, MCA, and other, which is from BSc or BCom. So, guys, this is a really good opportunity for all these branches and graduates. After that, standing areas means if you have any backlogs, so you have to mention your status of backlog or all clear. After that, current location, mention your city. After that, are you already technology trained? So guys, if you have done any courses in technical field or any technology like Java, C++, or anything related Python, networking, so you can mention yes, and mention your technology in which you have did a certification. After that, it also asks, do you have any of the certification in OCGA V8? So guys, AWS, GCP, if you have any certification in uh, these courses, then you can choose it, and if you didn't, then select the option 6 and please mention whatever certification you did here. After that, year of passing. So guys, here are just so many uh, earlier batches are eligible from 2017, 18, 19, 20 or 21. So guys, this is a really great opportunity for earlier batch pass outs like 2019, 2020 or 2018. So you can select this and submit this form. And for Virtusa there is a two rounds. First round you have to uh, attempt a aptitude test, and after that you have a technical round. So technical round is not that much difficult. It is depends on they mostly ask on your resume. You just have to clear your aptitude test, and there are maximum chances to get placed in Virtusa. So guys, this is a really good opportunity for freshers from earlier batches. Okay guys, so let's see our next job update, which is from Epicero. So Epicero is hiring for software engineers with no experience required. Okay, so let's see position: software engineer, experienced freshers, which will be a full-time India, and the workplace will be pan India. So in major cities, the Epicero have their offices. So they have mentioned the skills are required: BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech. So if you are graduate from any of these categories, you are eligible to apply for this job. After that, roles and responsibilities: clarity in basic fundamentals programming. So आपको बेसिक प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज होना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट you are have good knowledge of writing code logically. After that, focused on developing code is well commented and typically improves. So guys, this is some skills and roles and responsibilities they have mentioned. So Epicero is a really good company, guys. For this company, you have a package of 4.5 lakhs per annum. So you must check out this. After that, you press apply now. Here comes the form of application, where you have to mention your name, email ID, mobile number, academic area. So here, academic area, you can choose the computers, electronics, and mechanical IT. Any from the any department, you can apply for the job role. After that, you have to aggregate, mention aggregate over here. After that, area of interest. So you have to select from these four technologies: MuleSoft, Salesforce, Snowflake, Tableau. So you just search on Google and find which is good for you. After that, you have to upload your resume. So guys, just customize little bit your resume to get shortlisted. Okay guys, after you applying for this job role, you will get a test link within I think 1 day, and you have to attempt the test within 4 5 days. I think 4 5 days, and it is a really fast process, guys. After that, you will get a mail for a second aptitude round. Uh, Sorry, this is a second round is for technical, and then your technical interview and HR interview. So these are the four stages of hiring by Apicero. After that, let's see next job update, which is from Wipro. So guys, Wipro is hiring for associate role. Uh, Location for this job role will be Hyderabad, India. They have mentioned in job description like excellent written and verbal communication skills in English, basic communication skills with proactive and positive approach to tasks, emotionally strong in nature, should be withstand and appropriate content with maturity. So these are some basic job description they have mentioned over here. Okay guys, after pressing apply button, you will get a form like this where you have need to fill information. First you have to connect your account with the Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Microsoft, or in which account you have to connect here. After that, you have to upload your CV. Then you have to upload your profile picture. You have to create your login, then enter your personal information like name, middle name, last name, your email ID, phone number, your address. Then if you have previously worked with a Wipro, then you have to mention yes or no. After that, your birth date. You have to also mention where, how did you hear about this job opportunity. After that, your education. If you have any work experience, mention over here. And yeah, select a time zone and submit your profile. You will get a test link in few days. Okay guys, so these are the three job updates from best companies, and which is available for all the graduates. So guys, please do check out. This is a really good opportunity for the all the graduates, pass outs from 2018, 19, 20 or 21. So guys, I have Telegram channel where I post maximum job updates. So you can check out my Telegram channel too. So you will get maximum job updates, which is from MBA, BBA, engineering, medical, in any field. I have post here job updates. So guys, if you are unable to find my channel, I have given a link in description, so you can join from there, or just simply type only jobs IT. So here is the link, guys. Okay guys, please make sure you are joining my channel and soon we are going to open a WhatsApp groups so that people who are not on Telegram, they will get job updates on WhatsApp. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Have a good day, take care, bye bye.